Every bad art you make is a tuition, not a mistake. Now, one of the challenges beginners in art go through, or people looking forward to start art go through mostly, is that they focus on their initial mistake, which is highly wrong. Rather, use that as a tool to grow. Now, my name is Logo Art. I've been in the art industry for years now. And in this video, I'm going to share some few experience with you and how to change your mindset as a beginner. The most important thing is how you look at your art, how you look at your art as an artist, not focusing on what other people think or say about your art. Now, how then do you focus on yourself? Now, anytime you produce your art and you realize that this art didn't come out how you expect it to come out, now there are some few questions you need to ask yourself. Why didn't this artwork come out how I expect it to be? Then you start making questions. Okay, so for instance, you didn't focus on achieving certain light in the work, you didn't achieve certain tones, some contrast in the work. Now you focus on those things and grow from it from your next artwork. Do you understand? So the phrase that every bad art is a tuition, not a mistake, meaning you are going to focus on the things, the mistakes that you've done in the work and grow from it. Do you understand? You are going to grow from those mistakes. You use that as a research data. Do you understand? For instance, when I finally decided to start color pencil, okay, so I started color pencil. I needed to focus on how to blend my colors properly and how to achieve some light. So I finished the work and I realized that my lights are missing, my highlights are missing in the work. So I use that as a research data. So I came back to myself and asked myself, how then do I achieve my light? Not like pencil, you finish, then you come and achieve your highlights later. Even though you can do that with certain tools. Okay, I was not having those tools. So I asked myself, how then do I achieve those highlights in the final work? Then I said, okay, so the next project I'm going to work on, I'm going to preserve the highlight instead. Okay, so I've grown from that. Instead of finishing everything and realize that no, the lights are missing, I can't achieve those things. Okay, so I preserve those highlights from the beginning in my next art. So I used the mistake I made in the first art as a research data. Maybe you realize that you rushed too much doing the work, or maybe the materials you use them excessively, the colors you use them excessively, the charcoal pencil you use them excessively. You are not supposed to use them in a particular area. So you focus on that, look at the work that you've produced and look at that and ask yourself questions, okay, and grow from those mistakes. If you rushed doing that particular piece, meaning the next project that you are supposed to work on, you are supposed to take your time. Maybe during the sketch you didn't pay attention to the proportion, okay, then you finish your final work, one eyes is bigger than one. Okay, so meaning you need to tell yourself that, okay, this time around during the first work I didn't pay attention to the proportion, I didn't take my time with the sketch. So you need to take your time and then your next week. So you are going to apply that in your next week. So meaning that you are going to grow. Okay, you are going to grow. If you followed me from the beginning, you realize that my works that I used to do years ago has changed from time to time. Do you understand? Meaning I pay attention to the result that come and I make changes from them. You are all learning. Okay, so that's how it is. So as a beginner, most important thing is don't degrade yourself. Don't focus on what others are saying about your work. Focus on every single work that you produce and grow from it. Do you understand? So you focus on the mistake and ask questions to yourself. How can I change this? Not letting that brings you down. Do you understand? If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips like this every day. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing
and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now, this course is available on our website, logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp, and we will enroll you in this course. Now, this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp, and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.